Nothing can replace a loved one when they've been taken from their family and friends. However, we've been trusted to do the best that the legal system can do under those circumstances. Ideally, when we were hired, we could bring the loved one back. Ideally, we could make everything right again. But the legal system is not perfect, and all it recognizes is the right of victims to obtain compensation for the loss of their loved one. And what's so difficult about this is that sometimes victims feel, families feel, as though they're trading their loved one for dollars. And in fact, it's something that subconsciously, I think, impacts just about every victim of wrongful death. And so we start by having a serious conversation about the fact that no amount of money can bring their loved one back. In fact, we hear it in courtrooms all across the state from insurance defense lawyers. No amount of money will bring the loved one back. But would it be okay if we used the crude tools available to us in the law to make things as right as we can make them, to recognize the loss as best we can, to show what's truly happening behind the family curtain? Isn't that appropriate? So oftentimes in these cases, there's almost a psychological barrier on behalf of family members to really talk and break down and explain to us the true nature of their loss. And that's where we shine, because we've been entrusted by families across Wisconsin to understand their loss and to tell their story with power and in a true quest for justice.